Everyone has a plan till they get punched in the face, as the saying goes, whether in the street, the boxing ring, or the octagon. Once you're in a fight, your primary objective is to hit and don't get hit. Pay the bill, don't wait for the receipt. Inflict as much damage as you can on your opponent without receiving damage. But another saying is, sometimes the best laid plans fail first contact with the enemy, and you find yourself in a whole different fight. So with these three different scenarios, you have slightly different approaches, but I'm gonna break down what I would do and what I think you guys should do if you're in that situation. So if you're in a boxing match or you're in an octagon, there's the benefit of rules and a referee. When you first get hit, you know you're hurt, try to grab them right away, immediately, because you're still in close range. If they back up to mid or long range and you try to grab them, you're gonna be in the gray, you're gonna get hit coming in, and you're probably gonna get finished off. So if you don't catch them right away, the next thing you can do is put your hands up high, make yourself real small, get on the bike and use your footwork and stay away from him until you can shake it off and get yourself back in the fight. The other alternative is, which is a little risky, but I've seen people come back from fights and do a whole 180. If you're hurt, get on the bike, get out of range, and take a knee. It's gonna count as a knockdown, but it may give you just enough time to shake it off and get back in the fight. And if you're in the street, you know, obviously you can use your imagination, anything goes, but it's the same thing except minus the taking the knee, because that might get you kneed in the face. So either grab them right away, and this is probably the only time I'll recommend doing a submission or, you know, getting involved in grappling, but that's probably your best bet in a street fight. But anyway, that's my personal take on what to do if you get hit in these three scenarios. Tell me what you think in the comment section. In the meantime, like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. Online courses out now. Link is in the description. Till the next time we out here. Ow.